Welcome guys, welcome to the new vlog. So today I'm standing in the front of Hussain Sagar Lake, which is nearby the Secretariat of Telangana, Hyderabad. And you can see the beautiful Secretariat of Telangana, which is a state secretariat for Telangana. And you can see how beautiful this secretariat looks for. And it is just nearby this Hussain Sagar Lake. So beautiful place, guys. So beautiful. And let me tell you that everything is just nearby only. You can see the Birla Temple from here. You can see how beautiful the Birla Temple looks. The Birla Temple is also nearby this place. So there was a time when the Birla Temple was the tallest, the highest point in the Hyderabad. But nowadays it's not that true, but there was a time when it was the highest point in the Hyderabad, just near the Hussain Sagar Lake. You can see how beautiful this secretariat looks. And the beauty of this place is that everything is nearby, everything. So we have NTR Garden just nearby. We have this Hussain Sagar Lake, which is one of the beautiful lake and the largest lake of Hyderabad. So since Ganesh Chaturthi week is there, so after 11 days, when they have to immerse the Lord Ganesh, all the idols used to come here. All the idols from different pandas and different puja samiti, they used to come here and immerse the Lord Ganesh in the water of Hussain Sagar. You can see the Indian flag is also waving, which is making it more serene. So today is Sunday evening and also a cloudy weather. You can see the weather today. And this is the center hub part, guys, where the secretariat is there, where Birla Temple is there just beside. We have Hussain Sagar Lake, and in the middle of the lake we have the Buddha statue. And for that Buddha statue also we have a different story which I'll be covering in the later half, but I'll just give you a brief summary that when they were bringing this Buddha statue, I mean a year back, it was somehow broken. It got broken in between, and somehow they managed to bring this Buddha statue and assemble at the middle of the Hussain Sagar Lake. So a lot of stories are there behind the statues. A lot of things are behind this secretariat, that they are planning this secretariat to construct a new secretariat as designed by the central government of India. So they are converting all the parliaments and secretariats into a new one with a newly constructed stuffs and a newly constructed design, which they are following in every state. So the things are various things and various topics and various debates around this are already going on, but I don't want it to cover all those, but I just wanted to show that how beautiful this place looks like. So everyone who is nearby the Hyderabad place and wanted to just have a visit to this place should must come, because this is a center hub of Hyderabad, and I believe that everyone must visit, and everyone actually visit this place because it's a center part. But it's quite good, serene and quite peaceful at evening. So various kind of boats are there. If you want to take a ride of Hussain Sagar, you can just go and book the ticket. Nearby we have NTR Garden as well. Beautiful place, guys. Just looks like a Mumbai Marine Drive, where the places are crowded at evening. People used to come and enjoy it. So quite beautiful, quite good to see this kind of place where you can spend your evening, you can spend your time with your loved ones, with your friends, and this is something which makes you feel more relaxed after doing the week work. But it's quite beautiful, and you can see the double-decker bus as well running, just like we have in Mumbai and the other places. So it's quite beautiful. So these buses are run by HMDA and looks quite beautiful, and there are a lot of street foods available nearby this place. Since as I mentioned that many people used to come in evening or on the weekdays or weekends to spend the time. So this is quite beautiful place, quite serene place. And today the weather was also, as I mentioned, that cloudy weather with a heavy rain which happened a couple of hours back. So that also made this place more breezy, more cooling effects are there. And it is what's to come at the evening. So and this place especially, when you can see the turn, it's similar to the Juhu Chapati in Mumbai, and it looks like we are at any of the Marine Drive there. But it is not Marine Drive, but it's nearby lake, which is the largest lake of Hyderabad. It looks quite beautiful. So okay guys, I'm closing my vlog here itself. We'll meet in a new video with a new content. For now, bye bye, take care, and just have a good evening and enjoy your evening weekend with your loved and loved ones and with your family and friends. Bye bye for now, take care, keep liking, keep subscribing, and keep inspiring me to create more videos. Bye bye for now.